Introducing our range of classic folding exam chairs and desks, which are perfect for exam halls and events. A market leader combining rapid delivery, high quality, and competitive pricing, these chairs and desks are available in two options. Our desks are comprised of an MDF top with a lacquered MDF edge and a powder coated steel black frame. Let's take a look at the standard option, which comes in both beige and grey and has a 15mm thick top. This is available in either 600x600mm or 600x450mm to help maximise space in smaller rooms, and is supported by an 18mm diameter frame. We also offer a premium desk, which comes with a thicker top of 18mm and a more durable 22mm diameter frame. For easier and safer setup, the premium desk has a built-in safety bar. Looking at our folding chairs, you can see they're compact and stylish. Available in blue, burgundy or charcoal, there is an option to complement any space. Super lightweight at no more than 3.5 kgs and just 90mm deep when folded, they're created to allow easy storage and manoeuvring. For a slightly more premium option, we also have the fan back version. Benefiting from an additional integrated linking device, this product helps to maintain health and safety standards within the event setting. For easier storage and manoeuvring, we also offer a variety of trolleys and bundle deals. Check out our website for further details. And don't worry, the entire Z-Lite range also comes with a 12-month warranty against manufacturing and material defects.